So this one's gonna be special. It's a Star Wars Dark Side limited edition Oppo Reno 14F. The special part is in the name. The way it was sent to me is kind of cool. The do not accept if seal is broken stickers aren't even applied. I like that. It's like up to me. It's part of the collectability here. And I think it's gonna be a pretty cool unboxing. Also, it's numbered, so you can see which you've got of the total number made. However, look how many they made. Over 25,000, that's pretty wild. I guess they're moving units. Wow, even with the limited edition, limited to 25,000. So what else is this? Is this just like, does this even open up this piece? It doesn't even, it's just like, that's what it is. It's like that. Well, anyway, it's like a piece of art, cool piece of art. What you got? You got Luke, Vader, the classic, the silhouette. Look at that, boom. You know the story, you've seen it before. Okay, not too much on the outside packaging, just a pull tab, black and red, Star Wars. Let's pull the tab. This is it, pay attention. This is it, pay attention. Worst pull tab ever? God, what if I want to hang onto the box here? This is the box that matters anyways. Forget about you. Look at that. Okay, so do not accept if seal is broken. This must be because they knew we're making a video and they're like, what if they want to reseal it? Because Mo wants to shoot some B-roll. That's considerate. Darth Vader. Darth Vader again, lightsaber. A seal on each side of the box and still nothing about specifics. Oh, woo. Careful. And we pull number 2, careful. Guys, you know I love a limited edition, a special edition. It's always more fun. We lift. This is just extra. That's just a bonus round. 19,777 out of 25,583. And then this is an early, number 154. I think I'd rather have 154. Not gonna lie. Ooh, Darth Vader. Let's go. The red Vader. And have you ever seen a more Vader font? Cool, look at the way it's presented. Damn, okay, that's cool. Look at the way they did this. How do you get that? Is that texture? No, they've got it in the glass. I don't think I've seen this technique before. However it is, they've embedded that in there. With the color pigment and the depth of the etching, it has a 3-dimensional look to it when you examine it. At first, when I had seen some images of it, I had thought it was protruding, but it's not. That's just an effect that you get when you're looking at it. Cool, all right, as far as the device is concerned, 14F, but just like dark. Red accent on the power button. Here you can see Lucasfilm Limited in red. And the boxy design means it can not stand on its own. That's unfortunate. Brutal. What about on this way? What about upside down? What about this way? Yes. We got it to stand up one way. Okay, let's just put this down for a moment because in a limited edition, we get many things. Whoa, vibrant Death Star. Vader, coolest character in the whole thing? Coolest character in the whole thing? All right, let's go ahead and have some fun using this electric range from Fotile. And basically, we're able to cook on this thing powered via the Cybertruck, which I just thought was nutty in the first place when they were like, yeah, do it. Show off our range powered from the Cybertruck. They kind of go nicely together, you see? What a bizarre cooking show. Imagine this was my set for a cooking show. So the burner on the top is 3,600 watts with 12.5% more output than average. One thing I will say, this baby heats up right away. Like, I don't know if you can see the red. It has 5 cooking zones with dual and triple ring flexibility depending on the size of your pan. Oh, that baby's done. Good enough for me. And of course, with a cooktop like this, you're gonna get extremely easy maintenance. You can just wipe the entire thing down. It's scratch resistant and it's made out of glass. Look at what we did here. Sort of nailed it, actually. Sort of nailed it. Next up, it's frozen pizza time. Let's see if we can execute. 425, let's preheat. Now, when it comes to family safety, it has something called Safe Glow, which can give you a residual heat alert if things are still hot. It's got Quadra Shield, which is a cool touch door. It has 4 layers. Dude, it's not hot, this is cold. That's crazy. I don't really understand that. How is this cold? Even the sides are cold. Is this actually preheating right now? Pizza's going in, we're at 425. So the Fotile Fresh Bake electric range is actually the world's first range that purifies the air while you cook. Apparently it's got a built-in platinum catalytic filtration device. It'll eliminate 90% of VOCs, smoke, and grease. That's not a thing I ever thought of with a range, but it's in there. It's also got quick preheating and an even bake. So if you pick one of these up, it's going to include free white glove delivery and installation. They will also haul away your old appliance. It's got a 1-year full warranty with labor, plus 3 years for parts. Good, good. Nicely cooked on the bottom, melted on the top. Anyway, okay, cool. So what's in here? Probably a case, and it is. What else is that? Safety guide, quick guide. And what is this a, oh, is that the sim tool? Damn. No. Yes! So it's a little housing and you flip it and that's where you keep your sim tool. Wait. Oh, dude, you load up the, what? That is the most overkill sim tool ever. Make me want to switch SIM cards on a frequent basis. I got the Switchblade. I got the Switchblade sim tool. Cool. All right, okay. I see what you're doing. Now the case is not anything unusual. You gotta remember, this is the best part. This kind of graphic on the back is the most impressive, really. I still don't really know how they did it. So you just go with clear, so then you can still appreciate it. I think that's what you do. The power brick is red, and it's also got a Vader head on it, and it also says Darth Vader on it. Okay, if the package was unsatisfying, that was the opposite. And so we have a couple of little nubs for grip. We can see it's a 45-watt SuperVOOC charger, and most importantly, it's not like the other ones. It's red, it's got the graphics. It's definitely part of the limited edition. A red cable, Type-C to A, and this one has a print on it. Someone tries to snatch your cable, and they always tell you, no, this is my cable, that's not your cable. Well, you got a regular white or black cable, it's hard to dispute. This is your cable, unsnatchable. Okay, I don't know what this is. Is this gonna be, is this an actual like Death Star? It's a lot of little details. I think we're gonna get some kind of a statue here. I'm guessing. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, and it's a stand. I'm into that, that's sweet. And boom, just on the desk like that? Or maybe you're watching Star Wars, look at you. I think what you do is you actually place it backwards. You know what I mean? That's pretty cool looking. When it's not in use, like forget looking at your screen, you just do it like that. You know, what's interesting is if you make this thing art, because we change these devices so frequently, but if you make this thing art, it has some kind of an appeal after the actual hardware is outdated. Now, the collectible aspect actually kind of comes through where you might want to hold on to that. As an object, it's interesting, or it's commemorative. I just like that they gave the stand, is what I'm trying to say. I like that they gave you the stand. Can you see that? Initial boot up right there. It was Darth Vader. So I always wonder, are they gonna do anything on the software side when you have a special edition? I think you should. You boot it up and you don't have a wallpaper, you're kind of sitting there thinking, what would it have taken to just load that up so that the whole thing becomes a continuous limited edition experience? So already, it's a good sign that on the boot up, we see the, oh, damn, right away. Right away, they heard me. The same graphic, but with like a red gradient. So that's what we got for the extra. Now, like as far as anywhere else in the OS, it's all stock. And as far as the apps are concerned, stock. But they gave us a wallpaper.
You wanna see if it has a charge thing?
Oh, okay, we check. If it does, then good. I'm betting no. Listen, it would be cool. I'm betting no. Like, it'll be a cool one because they always do it with SuperVOOC, but it won't be exclusive, I don't think. Let's find out. Why are we talking? Let's find out. Oh, damn! You were right. The Saber is the charging meter. Stop it. Well, by the way, my sound is at 300%. Look at that. They got different numbers. Okay, ready? Come on, man. Yes, there could have been a sound. I don't care, like that's, let's go. You gotta get clearance. Like, is it the real one?
Right.
Is it the real?
Well, they got clearance. I
want to see how close I am to the actual. But they're fighting already. I want he's just moving it. I want when he's just moving it pre-fight, just to like intimidate. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm good.